guys, it's Katie, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. I don't really have a lot, but yeah, let's just get on with our video. And the first one I have, it's like the first one I've ever made. It's like a purple, oh gosh, bleh. So let's get out now. It's like this purple one with a lot of glitter in. Like, yeah, it's kind of stretchy. It's actually like I left it out, and it's kind of like putty, like white. Yeah, it's not my favourite, but it's a slime. My second one. Let's do this one because this is a pretty rubbish one. Like clear with a tiny bit of glitter in. And mine's okay. Yeah. Now this one it is fluffy slime, but like the fluffiness is gone. Yeah, sorry if I do it. Yeah, like the fluffiness is gone. It's a little sticky because it's been in there, but it's like really nice. It's like really nice. The fluffiness is like just a little sticky. There's like left in there. It's like a bluey with silver glitter in it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out though. But like, yeah, that's that. It's a little sticky. I left it in the container for like, kind of long. Anyway, my second one is the red one. Yeah, this is like one of my favourites. I love that. Like, it's pretty stretchy. The colour's vibrant, like really red, really vibrant red. Like on camera you can't really see it. It's got a little glitter on it for some reason because I never put glitter in it. But it's got glitter in it. Yeah, and next one is yellow one. So it's like, okay, like this. I didn't make it tonight, but like tonight it's like really sticky, but I fixed it. And then it's just like, it's more brighter like off camera, but like not on camera it's more bright. Yeah. Now my last slime, because some of like dried up, and my other one downstairs is this one. It's super fluffy. I literally like made it like an hour ago. It's so pretty. So it's in the bowl there. Oh, it's sticky because 20 minutes. Yeah. And that's it. And that is all my slime. I've not really got a lot, so but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. Remember to subscribe down below and like if you want to. Bye guys.